Smoking in the backyard, crashing a gas star. Blunts to the face when I race like it's NASCAR. Bitch, I've been my own plug, growing on my own drugs. Step into the...
Okay guys, I think we're filming now. Hello everybody, we are here at KTM Hala. So today we are having out to review and test for a little bit this little beautiful piece. That's a KTM SuperDuke 1390 EVO R. I forgot my handshoes. My Handschuhe. My German is coming instead of staying where it should. Okay, we're ready to go. Let's crank up this little beast. Okay. The Duke sound. I already warmed up the motor so I can rev it up a little bit for you. So let's hear it. Sounds good to me. Let's head up to a ride. Outside it rained yesterday, so it is indeed pretty not dry, and we must be very careful. We love a nice quick shifter. That's actually the first time I'm testing one. Gotta get used to it. I'll still, I think, use the clutch because yeah, I have to. But yeah, it's a very nice day outside and we are up to have some fun, I guess. Now it's kind of wet, so yeah, of course I'm not gonna be able to ride as I want to.
A few moments later.
But definitely it will still be fun. This piece feels pretty good, I'd say. Sounds amazing as well. I hope the quality is good. I hope you guys enjoy the sound. I'm rocking a Purple Panda microphone lapel. Oh my god, I love it. Holy Jesus. Wow. God damn. That thing kicks. I don't know if you guys, I mean, you definitely can notice and feel it, but holy god damn, it goes fast. Okay, yeah, that's fast. Holy f, that's fast. I mean, holy f. Oh, I know where we are, I think I know, no? Yeah, no. I definitely know. I don't know. I think I should have went, yeah, I should have went left. So far so good. Let's compare it to a superbike, which I indeed do have. My bike is 2007, so K7 model of the GSXR. Besides my Gixxer, it pulls like, indeed it has like 5 more horsepower. This bike has 190 horsepower from what I've learned and gathered as information from the internet, and my bike has only 185 horsepower. It's so fun to ride. It's handling like a baby, bro. What the hell. The generic feeling is f***ing amazing. It's wet on the road, so I won't be a stupid f***er. So yeah, but you can imagine. You can watch some other videos that are gonna show you how it feels on the track, or we're just taking it on a casual day, you know, for a ride, just to chill, just to film something. Guys, that's the first motovlog, so I'm sorry for not being the most coherent. I usually get lost in my thoughts, so yeah, we're just riding it slow. We're riding it, you know, like everyone would, as if they were just a normal citizen. The feel is insanely good though. We got a 255/17 on the rear and a 160 on the front, I guess. I guess it's 160 like usual. Feels very good, feels very... It's a very beautiful day. We are enjoying it as we should with this view in front of us. My feet are standing perfectly. It's like not a sportive position, but a pretty sportive one. I can compare it with a lot of bikes, since I haven't been riding so many. But I've had a tourer, I've had a naked, currently having a sport bike. I went through the types, and this overall is the best. If you ask me, the naked are the best bikes out there. It's very comfortable, you know, for touring. It's very comfortable, very powerful, and also if you add a windshield, then it's gonna be lovely. A sport bike is just something for the youth, if you know what I mean. In my view, I mean, definitely you can ride it, and everybody can ride it as they want, when they want. There's no such thing as a limit, age-wise or anything else. But the position is gonna get you. Sooner or later, the position is gonna get you. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to lower the speed here.